Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here as usual. As you can see, I have all my colors laid out. It's pretty much the same colors as last time, and I'm still going on a black and white side. Although this time, instead of trying 2 cups, I will be trying my chocolate tray once again. So I'm excited to try that with a different color combination. Hopefully it's going to turn out bright and it won't get too muddy. So here goes. So I really enjoyed using the chocolate tray again, and I really love the details that I got in the black and white. I look forward to exploring that a little bit more. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!